Alright, we're at this parking ramp 4 at the UIowa garage. Look. These were MTs when I was here last time. And they got modernized. Why do they keep stopping on 2? Oh, I think it's that bridge there. See, look, that one's in the middle of the mod. Here it is. Damn. Yep, so much for the MTs.
Going down.
That's crazy.
Floor L1 going up. Skyway going up. Yep. Floor 5.
Take care.
You too.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
And I think I was on... There's the other car. Currently getting modded. Damn. That's crazy. Schindler MT's getting modded. They're not even old. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyway, that's it.